A controversial tough-on-crime bill could face an uphill battle despite getting the governor's seal of approval.
Capitol reporter Dina Harley is live for us tonight with that story in Raleigh. And Dina, the governor signed Iryna's law, but the battle may not be over.
Yeah, political experts I've been hearing from over the last few weeks, really since we even started hearing about or talking about this bill, say they really would not be surprised if it does end up in the court system here in North Carolina. That's because they say even with the governor's signature on this bill, there are a few facets in it that could be legally challenging in practice.
It's going to face a tough road going forward.
Potential challenges for Iryna's law after being signed by Governor Josh Stein.
I think there are going to be some potential lawsuits that come up because of the death penalty part of the bill.
The law calls for using the firing squad or electric chair as execution methods for the death penalty if lethal injection isn't available. North Carolina has been in a moratorium for nearly 2 decades, partly because of lawsuits around the drug used in those lethal injections. If a death row inmate's case moves forward under the new law, political experts say a lawsuit would be likely. There could be other legal challenges as well.
It sounds nice to limit the ability of magistrates or judges to release someone on something other than just their signature or just on their signature for a future trial date. But in terms of the practicality of that, it may be difficult for the judicial system in North Carolina to carry that out.
David McLennan with Meredith College says it could also pose challenges or risks for jails and prisons across the state.
And we've got, in some counties, tremendous jail overcrowding, and we're talking about keeping people in jail awaiting trial. Again, it becomes a real practical issue for the sheriffs in the 100 counties of North Carolina.
While in the General Assembly, no Senate Democrats voted in favor of the bill. Several House Democrats did. McLennan says that wasn't entirely unexpected.
We have some moderate Democrats who, face serious crime issues in their districts and feel strongly about we need tougher either bail guidelines or even the use of the death penalty.
And even when he was signing this bill into law, Governor Stein made it very, very clear that he did not agree with the death penalty portion of this bill. He even went on to say that at least under his administration, while he is leading the state, there will be no executions by firing squad or by the electric chair. In Raleigh, Dina Harley, CBS 17 News.